Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Hello guys, welcome to SimzTalkz.
Again, same joke. Can't come up with new jokes. Okay.
You're getting cut, dude.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Sims, and today I have Tony here with me, and we're going to be doing the drawing challenge, draw stuff in under a minute, and it's going to be anime edition because why the fuck not? Let's get started.
Peter, pick him.
You can edit that out.
What? Peter, you pick him.
Alright.
You can be the little host.
I don't want to be a host. What is
Pick
this?
a person.
Alright. Do I tell him what?
Yeah.
I don't know these
Just show
characters though. Pikachu.
Pikachu. So we each have a black pen and colors, and we're going to draw Pikachu. Someone time 60 seconds, don't start drawing it. And then we will draw that in under a minute.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Good.
Alright.
Yeah, 5 seconds. Good.
5 seconds left, guys. And time.
You just let me tell it all.
Okay, show your pictures to the camera. Okay, judges, what do you think?
I do it Tony's. Yours like it looks like a
Tony's.
Okay. They're both pretty terrible in my opinion.
How would I win that?
Okay. So
It looks so much
Tony-
cuter though. That's a little derpy smile.
Yeah. It's cute. Okay.
Alright. Next person. Or animal. Akamaru.
What?
You should know this one.
I'm literally fucked you guys.
3, 2, 1, start. Time.
What is it?
Oh, Akamaru's supposed to be a dog.
Isn't that?
It's supposed to be a dog.
Isn't Akamaru? Isn't that?
That little pet dog
Yeah.
in Naruto?
It's a dog, Johnny.
It's a dog.
He's a dog from Naruto. I don't watch cartoons.
So literally
Because hers looks the derpiest.
Mine has the leaf symbol on it.
okay.
I figured you just know him.
So it's time, you guys.
2 shitty ass drawings.
1 and 1.
Shut up, dude.
Alright, next animal. Choppa!
Choppa! Oh shit!
3, 2, 1, start. Tony just looks like a regular person. Three, 2, 1, stop.
Okay.
Johnny, I need your help. Come here. Johnny.
Say Tony's.
Tony's? Yeah, I'm good with Tony's.
Okay. T2.
Alright. Next animal is... Ooh, Scooby-Doo.
Oh no. Okay.
Okay, not technically anime, but we'll accept it. Okay, which show can we go?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. You guys completely shit. God. Is that a fucking cow now? Just fucking end this. It's over. Alright, you know what? Hold up. Let me see them. No points that round.
Are you kidding me? Mine was so good.
That was shit.
No points, you guys.
Appa.
Appa! Oh my god, I feel like this is gonna be another no points round.
What are you doing?
Oh shit! We weren't supposed to start yet. Take off like 5 seconds of my time. I have to just like sit there.
Alright. I'll tell you when to go. Go. Start.
Okay.
Five, four, 3.
2, 1. Stop. She has an avatar in it. She wins.
Oh, this is so fucking stupid. Alright, well.
You're tied up for the last one.
Last round, guys.
Happy!
Oh shit! Tony's got this.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, start.
This is horrible. I'm gonna fucking shoot myself.
This video.
3, 2, 1, and stop.
I think it should be another no point round.
So is it a tie?
It's a tie.
No, let's. Is there any left?
Alright.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, pick one.
Alright.
I think
I don't know.
we should Rochambeau for the championship because neither of us are getting our art degree, no matter how hard we try.
Alright, I'm in.
I guess so.
Okay.
Tiebreaker round. 3.
Rochambeau. 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 Rochambeau.
This is intense.
Rochambeau.
Oh.
Okay.
2 out of 3. 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3.
Alright.
Rochambeau. Rochambeau.
Oh.
So.
Okay.
Bull.
You guys, for the punishment, the loser. Dun 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 dun. Vim will announce what the loser has to do.
No.
The loser has to make out with this picture of Toka.
From Tokyo Ghoul.
What?
Here you go, Tony.
Are you kidding me? I didn't know there was a losing rule.
Ready? This is for all you ladies out there.
Okay, guys, this has been another episode of SimzTalkz. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed Tony making out with Toka, and subscribe if you're new here. Alright, guys, bye-bye.